Welcome to another Okuda demo. The processes we are going to look at go over the steps for importing and exporting items from the UK. Due to the UK officially leaving the EU at the end of the year 2020, the need for compliant software like Okuda has increased exponentially. This is due to the increased amount of rules and regulations that have been put in place to import and export from the European continent to the UK as well as further afield. The first process covers applying for and inputting EORI numbers, which stands for Economic Operators Registration and Identification Number. Any business established in the EU needs to obtain an EORI number from their national customs authority before commencing customs activities in the EU. Therefore, this process will ask whether the business has an EORI number, as seen here. If no is input and the step is completed, then it will continue on to the next step, which points the business to the specific uk.gov website to apply for one. If yes is selected, then it will skip this step and carry on to the final step, which has two inputs, one for the importer EORI and another for the exporter EORI number. The second process is a more complicated process which covers other systems and information that the importer or exporter needs to apply for with checks to make sure that each one has been completed. The first 5 steps include these checks. The penultimate step is a checklist which has several yes/no drop-down boxes to record if every item has been completed on the list. This provides an easy way to trace back to an answer that was submitted, when it was submitted, and by who. The final step is a checklist after the goods have been imported, for if the VAT tariff rates have been checked and any amendments have been made to chief.